Hi everyone, my name is Taylor Danielson. Are you looking for an easy way to control your lift arm accessory for Jaco? Now you can using the Jaco Blue control box. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Jaco Blue directly with your lift arm accessory. This makes for a straightforward connection process that doesn't involve any additional control boxes or accessories. The lift arm is controlled by two 3.5mm jacks, which can be plugged directly into the Jaco Blue box. Ensure Jaco is in the correct mode for operating your lift arm, as configured by your product technician or installer. Now, using the same control interface you operate Jaco with, you can also operate your lift arm. With the lift arm directly connected to Jaco Blue, making adjustments to the height of Jaco is easier than ever. Jaco Blue has support for many other control options, including analog DB9, Bluetooth, and powered USB. For more information, visit our website or contact your product representative today.